I'm going to show you how we can make the payment in AWS. So first what you need to do, you need to log in into your AWS console account. Once you log in, you will redirect to this AWS management console page, and from here you just what you need to do, you need to type billing. Fine. And then you need to click on this link, billing, and then you can click here bills, and from here you can select the bill of any month generated bill, and here you can see all the payment detail and everything. So payment detail and everything, and if you want to, from here you can print or download as a CSV. And the next, if you want to add a new card or new payment method, in that case you need to click here, and from here you can just add a new card. And once your card is verified, uh, it's listed here, you can also make any card as a default. And in the next step, what you need to do, you need to click on the, so suppose we just log in and we need to make a payment. So billing, payment method, and then click here make payment. So if there is any invoice, it will be show here, and in that case, uh, here in action section you have an option to make a payment. Once you click on the make payment, you will redirect to payment gateway page, and after that uh, it send OTP, and once your transaction is verified, you will redirect to this screen, and in 2-3 minutes you can see your latest payment status. So currently I don't have any invoice or pending payment, so it's showing there are no payment required for this account. But in next 2-3 days the one new item is listed here, and in that case I have one more option in action section to make a payment. So this is the quite simple process to make a AWS payment. Thank you.